to about 50,000 people in our family, friends, colleagues, etc. to the best a ministry called Ayush, which among other therapies is promoting homeopathy. So agree to one thing, that homeopathic medicines do not have any downside or any side effects which are negative. About 67,000 vial pills for 5 people. So that means that about 300,000 people have progressively received that this is effective. We have all taken it, I have taken it, we have given it to our family, friends, colleagues, etc. And we have received the requests from everywhere. You will not believe how many ministers, how many business peers, even requests from Pune police. We sent 9,000 vials for 45,000 people, the rural police, the PCMC police, the railway police. So effectively what is happening is that over 300,000 people in Pune have gratefully taken it to understand.
Lockdown for such a long time or extending the lockdown, you are against it?
I am against extending the lockdown, which is such an extreme lockdown. See, there is a lockdown all over the world. And I personally first want to suggest we should not be looking at Europe, UK, US. Because whether it is in terms of our inherent immunity, whether it is temperature, whether it is the demography of our young population, and even in terms of these factors we talked about like healthcare or social security, we are much more like Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Cambodia, etc. We are an Asian country. We are not a European country. Now let us look at the incidence of this problem, whether infection or death in ASEAN country. Is it like it is in Italy, Spain, UK? It is not. So first of all, to benchmark Europe and go even ahead of Europe in terms of lockdown, I just don't understand. I am told by friends who live in New York that they can step out of their apartment. They are not having to necessarily wear masks. They can go to the grocery store. They can visit the friend in another apartment. Here, if my friends get down from the apartment, the police is coming after them with canes. I don't see the logic at all for this kind of lockdown. So I am all for advising the vulnerable people, which means the elderly people or those who have any other immunocompromised comorbidities, that you please still stay at home. I am all for ensuring hygiene, sanitation, personal protection, etc. I am all for saying that in any public space, if it is school, if it is office, if it is theatre, it is mall, please take precautions, keep a distance. We don't want people at a very close proximity to each other. We have to go at 50% capacity. Whoever can work from home, work from home. That is all absolutely fine. But beyond that, I feel, average age of India is only 28 years. Most of these people, 98% of these people are not going to get anything more than at worst a mild infection. Most will be asymptomatic. That is becoming very clear. Almost nobody under the age of 50 or so is going to die unless they have some pre-existing condition. My contention is all these people should go back to work, should be permitted to go back to work, so that we can keep the wheels of the economy moving forward. This to me would be the right balance going forward. And if instead of this we are simply going to extend the lockdown any further, as has been for the last 2.5 weeks, that I am not convinced about at all. I can't say I am against it because I have no locus standi to be against it, but I am certainly not convinced about it.
This was Rajiv Bajaj, a concerned person for India, and he says if there are examples, case studies throughout the world that homeopathy is the way to increase the immunity, then why not give it a try?